All right, today we're taking a look at the brand new HMX ASH Linears. They just released, and since no one's really covered them yet, I want to give you the first real sound test in comparison. ASH uses a POC stem, a PA12 housing, and a PA66 bottom housing. 40 gram actuation, 48 gram bottom out, 2 millimeters of pre-travel, and around 3.6 millimeter total travel. Come factory lubed with a thin coat. Out of the box, the switches look clean. Lube application is consistent, no obvious over lubing or dry spots. Stem wobble is minimal. Springs feel consistent across the batch. Typical HMX quality we expect here. HMX has been dropping a lot of strong bangers lately. The colas were good. Not the 3.8, but the regular colas are good. Sunset Gleam, of course. And now these guys. Back to back to back. We got some bangers here that I'm recommending. I wanted to see where ASH fits into that lineup. The material combo is different from the usual stuff. We don't usually see POC too often. The last time I saw POC that kicked ass was, I believe, in the Ghost Dragons. No wonder, because this one I really like as a spacebar as well. I think it's because of the POC stem. Listen to the sound test. The spacebar, especially on this POC stem, excellent. I've got them in the Neo65 Core Plus. Aluminum plate, no foam, GMK caps, the usual setup. This time we're going to go with the copper. We're going to run a full sound test of the ASH, followed by a back-to-back against the Sunset Gleams. See where they stand. Here come the sound tests. All right, did you guys hear that? The space bar on these ashes with the POC is just like a Ghost Dragon. It is so good. The ash, honestly, I've been typing on it. It is very, very close to the Gleam. Not necessarily in sound and feel, but in terms of enjoyment of my typing and how much I like these switches. These switches are good. I don't know if the spacebar is carrying the alphas or not, but overall, the entire experience, it is good. Now, here's the other thing that I was noticing is the bottom out sound is very, very clean. I don't know if my mic can pick it up like this. Yeah, I'll put it down. Even with light actuation, like very little force, as soon as it hits the bottom, it hits clean and loud. The POC touching the bottom is so clean. It's a really nice clack comes out of it. In stark contrast to the 3.8s yesterday, very light tapping. All you hear is noise, crap. That switch is no good. This one is excellent. Obviously, my Sunset Gleams, I love them to death. This is good though. It reminds me a lot like the Key Geek PA in terms of tone. This one is crisp, clean, pretty loud. I like it. If you prefer deeper, rounder linears / fuller, you may lean towards something else. But if you want something that's signature HMX clack, this is a great option. ASH is absolutely a buy. It's smooth, well-tuned, has a clean clack that stands out without being harsh. Huge shout out to Unikeys for sending these out early. If you want to pick up ASH, I'll have my affiliate link down below. Code Shiloh for 7% off. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you really enjoyed it, hit the super thanks, grab me a coffee. I thank you. More HMX is coming soon. We've still got Aprils, Black Cat, Snowfall, Valerian. And it looks like I'm going to have to do some kind of back-to-back with some of the other tactiles as people are asking about it, especially like Hydra and Cilantro. People are asking for that in the Discord. All right. Peace out. I'll keep on making these bad boys for you. I'm not playing my game at the moment.